Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with Waec Biology Past Question 2019 and we'll be solving question 37. It says maize grains are best stored against insect attack by A. Keeping in a silo, B. Storing in the room, C. Leaving them on their cobs, D. Covering with leaves. Now, what is a silo? Now, silos are large grain storage capacities. It's an industrial structure that stores large amount of grains. It stores large amount of grains. Now, if you keep maize in a silo due to the tight covering and duly implemented scheme in the silo, it will be very hard for insects to attack your maize. But then if they are stored in a room, you agree with me that in one way or the other now insects will infest on the maize grain. Now if you leave them on their cobs, insects will still infest them. There are some maize you leave on the farm, even with the cobs you see that insects begin to bite in and spoil the crops. If you cover them with leaves too, it will not be an efficient method. So the answer to this particular question is keeping in a silo. A silo is the best way to keep a maize grain. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.